Imagine watching a high-stakes football match. A great coach does not use the same strategy every time. When the team is leading, the coach brings in strong defenders. When it is time to score, the coach sends in sharp attackers. The Kotak Business Cycle Fund works the same way. It plays the appropriate sector strategy depending on the market environment. When the economy is charging ahead, the fund moves into high-growth, aggressive sectors. These include infrastructure, auto, capital goods, and real estate. They are like the strikers of your portfolio, fast, powerful, and ready to score during an upturn. But when the economy slows down or turns uncertain, the fund does not push forward blindly. Instead, it brings in its defenders, sectors like healthcare, telecom, or FMCG. These sectors are known to hold their ground even when the market is under pressure. The fund uses a top-down view to read the match, the larger economy, and a bottom-up approach to pick strong individual companies. It focuses on firms with strong fundamentals, regular cash flows, and long-term resilience. Like a star coach, it does not let emotions or past plays decide the moves. It stays focused on current conditions, makes tactical adjustments, and aims for consistent performance. The Kotak Business Cycle Fund builds a winning portfolio by putting the suitable players on the field at the right time. It is not about chasing the ball, it is about controlling the game. Stop sitting on the bench. Get an experienced coach for your portfolio that will help you navigate through all market cycles. Join the team with Kotak Business Cycle Fund and start playing with an aim to win. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risk. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.